How to log food on Fitbit. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Fitbit application. If you don't have an account yet, then you need to sign in with your Google, or you can sign it with Fitbit. Everything is up to you. So once you have created an account, or once you have your account, what you want to do here is to look for the plus button. You will see the plus button at the bottom right corner. Once you tap that one, you will see this options under manual log. You have to click food, and once you tap this food here, what you want to do is look for the search more, and then search for that food that you want to log. So for example, I'm looking for chicken. So all you have to do is type the chicken, and then and that's it. The result will appear right here. So you just have to pick one. So once you tap that food, you will see here the nutrition facts, meal and snacks time. So you can choose anytime, breakfast, lunch, dinner, morning, afternoon snack, evening snack. And you can also see or change the day. Once done, what you want to do next is to click this log and add more if you want to add more, right? If you don't need to add more, if you don't want to add more, you just have to tap this log this. And that's it. That's how easy it is to log food on Fitbit. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.